Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your English teacher. I am Shagufta Maqbool. Please open this book of Junior English 1. Open page number 3 of this book. First of all, you will have to prepare page. You will have to write date. After preparing page and after writing date, today our topic is using a and an. Using a and an. You will have to write a and you will have to write an before words that are given on this book. First of all, today I am going to tell you where do we use a and where do we use an. Look at here, students. What is written here? Apple, arrow, X, egg cup, envelope, iron, onion. Next one is oven. Look at here. These words are started with first letter. Look at here. First letter a, e, I, O, O. I am writing here. Look at here. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. You will have to write and before words beginning with A, E, I, O, U. When a word starts with A, when a word starts with E, starts with I, starts with O, starts with U, you will have to write N. You will have to write N. Always write A before words beginning with other letters. These are vowels. So when you will have to put vowels. When a word starts with vowels, you will have to put and you will have to write and. When a word starts with consonant, you will have to write a. A part is given here. Write the names of these things, putting an in front of each. The words you need are in the list on the left. The words that we need are in the list on the left. Look at here. First, if what is written here, apple is written here, we will have to find where is apple. Here is apple. So you will have to write first letter is started with a. So you will have to put and you will have to write n before this word apple. And apple, APPLE, apple. Next one is arrow. You will have to find arrow. Where is arrow? Arrow is starting with a. This is arrow. You will have to write an arrow, ARROW, arrow. Next one is X. Where is X? This is X. You will have to write an X, AXX. Next one is egg cup. Where is egg cup? Look at this cup. This is egg cup. You will have to write an egg cup, an EGG, egg, CUP, cup, before E is included. Look at here in this. Next one word is after egg cup, envelope. Look at here. Where is envelope? Here is, we use this envelope. Look at here. We will use an ENVELOPE. Next one is onion. Where is onion? Here is onion. You will write here an onion. N-I-O-N. Next one is here is this one is left iron. Iron is in these words. Look at in these letters. Iron, I is in vowels. Look at here. I will write here. So I will put N, iron, I-R-O-N, iron. Next one is, last one is N, oven. You will write here N-O-V-E-N. After completing A part, we will have to complete B part. Look at here. This is first one is write A or N before each of these words. You will have to put N before these words that are written here. First is clock. C, look at here. C is consonant. So C starts with the consonant. So we will write here A. Armchair. First letter is A. A is in vowel. Look at here. So we will write here N. Orchard. O. O is in. Look at here. O. Orchard begins with O. So we will write N. B. B is in these letters. No. So B is consonant. So we will write here a book. Pen. P-E-N, pen. Pen starts with these letters. No. We will write here a pen. Next one is earth. A-R-C-H. Earth. This starts from A. A is in vowels, so we will write here N. Next one is tree. Tree is not in vowels. T is consonant, so we will write here a tree. Door. D is also consonant. We will write here a door. Elephant. Elephant. E is in vowels. We will write here N. Look at here. Next one is ostrich. N. Eagle. N. Next one is who? A. Desk. A. Island. N. Umbrella. U is here. So we write here N. Umbrella. Okay students, today you will have to complete page number 3 of Junior English 1. After doing this page, you will have to write part B in notebook of English grammar. Look at here. If you are feeling any difficulty after watching this video, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.